In this video, I'm going to show you how to select multiple images in Adobe Bridge. Now, there's a few ways to do this. I'm going to show you all of them, so you'll be able to select your images however you want. Now, the first way to actually select multiple images is the following. You can go and basically use this kind of drag highlighter on your Essentials panel. So you can just go and drag and highlight those that you want to basically select, okay? And you can select multiple that way. Now, if you want to go in between any of these images, you can see you can click either on images or there's like some space in between. Now you want to click on the space in between, so just click, hold your mouse button and drag, and you can of course select them that way as well, okay? So that's the first way to select multiple images. The second one is using your keyboard buttons together with your mouse. So you can just go and, for example, click on the first image, and you want to hold down your control key while doing that. So when you hold down the control key on your keyboard, you'll be able to click on multiple images and select them that way, okay? Of course, you can select whichever ones you want, and those are going to get like the blue highlight over here, the blue border, which means they are selected. So by using your control key, you can select individual images wherever inside your folders. That's the first way. The second one is using your shift key. So if you're using your shift key, you'll be able to select a range. So if I click on this first one, for example, hold down the shift key and click on this one, as you were able to see, it's going to select this range over here, okay? Which is quite nice. Now, what's also great, you can use this in combination with your control key. So if I go and click on the first one, hold down my shift key and click on this one over here. But now I would like to add, of course, to the selection and add these over here. I can also press my control key right now. So I'm going to click on over here. And now I have to press the shift key together with my control key. And I'm going to click on this one. And there we go. We now have two selections like this. And it's all done with my keyboard and my mouse. Now, of course, alternatively, you could also select all the images. So to do this, you can go and press Ctrl plus A on your keyboard, or you could just go and drag a selection over all of them like this. Now you could also go and of course use this selection box to select multiple, and together with your of course shift and control key, you can make changes like that as well. So if I hold on my control key and I, for example, select these, and I'm still holding the control key, and I'm going to select these and these and these, as you can see, that's working as well. And of course for the shift keys, it's going to work the same way. So that's how to select multiple images. Those are all the ways. So if we briefly summarize this, we were using this highlighter, the control key to select individuals, or the shift key to select ranges, okay? And the combination of shift key and control key can basically select different ranges at different parts of your document. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.